Hi, today in this video, I will try to share with you how to Google Analytics for event tracking. Today in this video, I will try to share with you how to we can easily form track. Okay, so let's go. So this is my Google Tag Manager and this is my demo website. So you can see this is my demo website. Actually, I create this one freely. Also, you can do this easily. And this is my Google Tag Manager. So if we check at first, like this account have any Google Tag Manager or not, let's see how can I do this. So first of all, you can search there. Um, you can inspect and you will see actually if you have a Google Tag Manager, then you can see the. So I hope you can see right now there is the Google Tag Manager for WordPress by this process. So I connected this website like Google Tag Manager. So right now, actually today in this video, I'll show you how to we can easily this prompt track. So at first I want to share with you like what type of prompt you can see when you inspect, then hopefully you can see the prompts names. Just 1 minute, you can see the prompt names, right? So you need to define actually what type of prompt. Okay, so actually you don't know what type of prompt, I also don't know actually what type of prompt. Okay, so we need to the check actually which process actually to easily we can track this from. So you can see the class name and you can see the IDs contents. Okay, there is no name, that means it's the normal form. Okay, so I'm just for test purpose just submit like we can see any thank you page something like that or not. Okay, so I just use this and send. When I submit, then I hope you can see not change the URL, right? You can see the thank you page, success, confirmation, this type of actually content. So we can see there actually, so the thanks for contacting us. We will be in touch with you shortly, right? So how can I track this prompt easily? Okay, so at first you should be enable variable and then you should be need to the enable like configuration and click all variables and video. If you want to the video track also, you can enable this one. If you want to scroll tracking, then you should be must be need to enable this one at first, and other ones like prompts ID background. So then we are going to the track. So right now we should to need to the set up the trigger, right? So actually so then if we go there and if I just inspect, just at first select this one and just inspect this one, then hopefully you can see the inspect console what element. You can see the thanks for contacting us. So we need to the we can do this easily like class basis and form basis. So today in this video I'll show you the element per. So today in this video, we will track to the element visibility process. So let's say, how can I do this? So easily, you just need to select this one, just inspect, and you can see the copy selector. Okay, just click there, like copy selector, then go there, then you should be need to the create the trigger. And I'm just clicking the new, then hopefully you can see the trigger configuration. I just click there, then you can see the many method. Okay, so today in this video, I'll just show you element visibility process. Okay, so I just click there, element visibility, then hopefully you can see actually we can do this like a two process, like one is the class CSS selector and one is the ID basis. So today in this video, actually I will share you the CSS selector. Okay, so I just select this one, then you need to the element selector. Okay, so what is the element selector? Actually already you can see the message, and I just copy, like right button click and then just click the copy, and you can see the copy selector, right? So I need to just paste there, so easy. So I just paste here and you can see the minimum percent visible. So if you do the 10 15, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I just use the 10 right now, and I select like this is the WordPress website from. So I just select the WordPress WP trigger. Okay, just select this. You can use any name as you wish. Okay? So I'm just clicking the save, then it's loading. Okay, so it's working fine, that's great. Then right now we need actually the any text. So today we will see actually Google Analytics GA4 event. So I just select this one, then you can just stay here. It need to the measurement ID. Okay, so you can see I will make measurement ID. Okay, just 1 minute. If I go to the GA4 ID, you can see constant mode, and I use the Google measurement ID, Google Analytics 4 measurement ID. So I just select this one and just need to the any name put here. So I just use like a WP from just normally use this check name and need to the use the trigger. So need to the name. So I just use WP from tracks. Okay, so I just saved there. Right now we need to the checking actually it is working properly or not, right? So I just preview right now. When you the preview debug view, then hopefully you can see the live actually it is the working or not. Okay, so let's see. So you can see right now is opening the new another window. So why actually open this one? So let's at first need to the fix. So you can see right now it's opening and it's connected properly. So actually we need to the go to the right now contact us. So I just click there, then need to the select like it is working properly or not. We need to the checking, right? So don't be late. Just fill up this one firstly, then send message. So right now you can see I just submit from right now not firing, right? So don't be worried, just wait. Right now is loading. Okay, right now is loading and showing right now thanks for contacting us. So we need to the check actually it is the working or not, right? So we will see everything. No worry, just need to do it sometimes. So you can see right now, actually this is the free site. So sometimes need to wait something, okay, because sometimes it's loading. So you can see right now, event visibility is show, and you can see the trigger is finally fully success, and you can see totally two texts fired. So I hope you can understand it is working right now. So if you need this type of service and this type of help, then you can feel free just contact with me. This link, I will help you for my best. Thank you so much. See you in another video. Bye bye.